Alright guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are fishing in a windstorm. Hell yeah. Today we're going to be going for those little snot slimy bastards, northern pike. Hopefully we can get something done. Today's temperature is -10 with a wind chill of -21 Celsius. Not quite sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's cold. Alright guys, so outside it is
cold.
-8, and in here it's 12 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit for United States people, it is 55 degrees Fahrenheit inside, and outside it is 18 Fahrenheit. And it is windy. It's windier than wind. That's kind of a dumb comment, isn't it? Oh yeah, we got a pike on. All right guys, got a pike on finally. Its tail, that's okay. Nope,
You need
okay.
a glove?
Nope, no, it's okay. It's okay. Get rid of the cigarettes. Nothing. Yeah! Look at that pikey wakey. Open up the window. Just a little guy, but yeah!
Awesome.
We got some pikey. Open that window. What was I just saying? Well, he's got that minnow down there. He barely had it hooked in there. Alright guys, we got ourselves a nice pikey wakey here. He's probably like a 20-incher. Kind of fat. Sorry about the camera angle, but that's what we got. Hell yeah, right on. Alright guys, so I just had my minnow dead stick with a treble hook and split shot weight swivel with 30-pound. We're just using a 30-pound mono leader here because the pike aren't too big, and a 30-pound mono should be fine. Fluoro's kind of expensive, so we're just gonna use mono. But yeah, as you see, the pikes, they're not too big, but you know, hey man, it's crazy. We got super cold weather out there and blowing winds up to 50 kilometers an hour. It's just crazy out there. As you can see, it is absolutely hammering out there. Holy crap. Well, we're nice and toasty in here. So yeah, we've been out here what, 3 hours now or something. We finally got one. Holy. I wonder if anybody else is catching pikes.
No, it's yours. No.
Oh man, we got one more pike glove. He's smaller than the other one, I think. Oh, yeah. Whew, yes. 2 pike. And to think we were gonna go. Holy crap, did he ever come across? Just crush that. Oh, twice, Emily. Once, and then the second time I just jigged it once, and he just came back. But
he's fat. He's chunky, yo.
He felt bigger than the other one.
He's just smaller lengthwise, but he's chunk.
All right, guys. He's a little bit bigger than the first one. He's a bit fatter. Right on.
Yeah.
Better picture. Yeah. Ready? Get your mouth. Bye. Heck yeah. Pike number 2. As soon as I switched from the minnow to a night crawler, he came across and absolutely hammered it. And I missed the hook set, but then I just gave it one jig and he came right back and whammo, I saw him hit it literally 1 foot under the hole. Like we're in like 6 feet of water with 4 feet of weeds. I'm just shocked we're even getting any fish today, but out of nowhere, just boom. All right, let's see if we can get some more. All right, guys, well, we ended up catching 2 pike today. Not bad, considering the weather conditions outside. It's been pretty blustery. If you guys like watching the video, thanks again. Really appreciate my subscribers and all my viewers. All right, guys, here we are again. Today's day 2. Not so windy today. Not 50-kilometer-hour wind gusts like yesterday, but it still is minus 22. So it's still, but she's cold. So we'll be using the hut again today. And we are also again going after those northern pike. Let's send it, guys. All right, we're back. It's up for day 2. Much warmer day for sure than the other day. And we're just setting up here. Got myself a nice leader with a barrel swivel to a treble hook. And then I'm gonna put a little weight on there just to keep them down. And we're gonna dead stick some minnows and dead stick some worms and go from there. Yeah. It's a slow start, that's for sure. We got bluebird skies, high sun, middle of the day. Doesn't seem like they're hungry at the moment. This pike might eat my camera. He's right off to the right there, just out of view. Oh, he's very focused. Look at this, how focused he is on our camera. Look at this guy. Hi, bud. Yeah, we're looking at you. You looking at us? Emily, he just about hit your bait. Oh my goodness. No. Okay. Okay.
Oh, he jumped right out.
Oh, careful.
Okay. Yeah.
Just a little guy.
Yeah, he's just a little guy. You look bigger on camera.
Look,
What do you need?
Yay!
Hey.
Yay! Are you back?
You
Yeah.
look way bigger on camera.
Yeah. Especially when they're right in front of the camera like that.
Yay, I'm glad we pulled the camera out. I wouldn't have caught him.
Get up in there. Okay, face his face towards me so I can get his little. Look at that, hooked right in the edge of the mouth where your leader wouldn't have mattered anyway. All right, there you go. Would you like a picture?
Fuck yeah.
Can we get you a picture? Okay. There you go. Okay, that's good enough. Get him back in the water, please.
Ready? What is that, poo? Oh, sorry. Oh my god.
It's okay, just let him go. He'll find his way.
I should have.
Yeah, you know, it's pretty chill here. Just sitting here watching. You watch the pike come up on the camera. You watch the pike eat your bait. You set the hook. And that's how it's done. There's not much more I can tell you other than put a minnow onto a size, I think, I don't even know what size hook that is. I think that's a size 8 hook. It's not a 12, it's an 8, I think. And then we got 15-pound fluoro leader or mono, one of the two, I can't remember. And then we got a weight on the barrel swivel. And I think we have another fish on the camera, so we're gonna get back down there and see if we can catch him. It's just a little guy. Well, maybe he's a little bit bigger.
Where'd it go?
Oh, I know, the reverse is off. I forgot to put it back on. Woo, here, hold on. Hey, yeah. Heck yeah, they're turning on now. Look at that, right? The corner of the mouth again.
Yeah, the other guy left because he came.
Oh yeah, for sure. That other pike that we saw on the camera,
Yeah.
he took off because this one was a bit bigger. Right on. We got ourselves in a little bite there. Not bad. Okay. Whoop. Whoop. Yeah, that other one was like a tiger pattern, but like honest, he's different looking.
Probably because he's juvenile.
Maybe. All right, guys, got another little pike there. Wah. All right, buddy. We'll get you back down there now. He's all little juvenile pike, but that's what we're after. That's all that's really here. Still tons of fun. Off you go, buddy. Bye. All right, guys. Well, we caught a couple more pike. Not bad for day 2. And yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, we're just about to pack it up and head home. So if you like that video, click that like button. Maybe think about subscribing. It'd be much appreciated. It'd help me out a lot. I just want you guys to know I appreciate every single one of you. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.